let's go. What are we making? I know you love my mic, so what is this?
This is, I've said before, I'm from Pennsylvania, and one of the biggest comfort foods when I was growing up was the potato pancake. And my father is Polish, my mom is Pennsylvania Dutch German, and both of them made potato pancakes, and we always served it with sour cream, which I don't have today, but I really wanted to find a replacement, and cauliflower is it.
Wow.
So it's really,
Can't beat
I
it.
love a good cast iron pan and make these. You don't have to steam the broccoli or cauliflower. You just mix the things together, toss it in the pan, and it fries up really crispy, and they hold together.
This is a winner.
And yeah, and you serve them warm with sour cream. Oh,
Tastes just like potato.
I know.
Wow, this is really good, Karen.
I know, like something.
Another great recipe to get cruciferous in your body. That's what we're trying to do.
Right.
Anti-cancer.
Mm-hmm.
This thing is too big for me. Keep slipping down.
I'm trying not to look at you because I just start laughing.
Ordered a new mic, but it's going to come tomorrow, so I have to use this temporary.
This is his dedication. This is like, we're going to educate these people.
It's a great mic. All right.
You going right on to
yeah, let's go to the next part of the video.
Right after this?
Yeah, right.
Okay. All right. You're going to love this recipe.
Yeah.
I don't know what else to say.
Okay, let's go right into the show them how to do it.
Roger that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.